1. What is the primary responsibility of a certified park and recreation executive? A. Facility maintenance. B. Strategic leadership and organizational management. C. Frontline programming. D. Daily custodial services. 2. Which of the following best supports long-term sustainability in a parks and recreation department? A. Reactive maintenance. B. Reliance on user fees only. C. Strategic planning with stakeholder engagement. D. Eliminating volunteer programs. 3. What is the most effective way to assess community needs for recreational services? A. Reviewing last year's program attendance. B. Conducting a comprehensive community needs assessment. C. Asking staff for input only. D. Implementing national trends without local input. 4. Which financial document outlines expected revenues and expenditures for a given period? A. Balance sheet. B. Audit report. C. Operating budget. D. Strategic plan. 5. What is the purpose of a master plan in park and recreation management? A. To outline daily tasks for staff. B. To plan marketing campaigns. C. To guide long-term development and capital improvements. D. To track attendance at programs. 6. Which of the following is a key leadership skill for park and recreation executives? A. Micromanagement. B. Authoritarian decision-making. C. Collaborative problem-solving. D. Avoiding conflict. 7. In performance measurement, what does the term benchmarking refer to? A. Establishing arbitrary goals. B. Comparing against historical data only. C. Measuring against industry best practices or peer agencies. D. Tracking volunteer hours. 8. What is the main advantage of public-private partnerships in recreation management? A. Reduces competition. B. Avoids public scrutiny. C. Leverages resources to expand service delivery. D. Shifts control away from public agencies. 9. Which legal concept protects public park agencies from certain lawsuits? A. Indemnity. B. Sovereign immunity. C. Arbitration. D. Restitution. 10. What is the most appropriate method for ensuring inclusive recreation programming? A. Limiting access to members only. B. Charging high fees. C. Engaging diverse populations during program planning. D. Offering identical programs to all age groups. 11. Which of the following best describes a capital improvement plan CIP? A. A short-term staff schedule. B. A list of seasonal employees. C. A long-term plan for funding infrastructure and facilities. D. A list of marketing goals. 12. What is the role of accreditation in a park and recreation agency? A. Increases public fees. B. Ensures accountability and adherence to national standards. C. Avoids audits. D. Limits innovation. 13. What is an effective way to improve staff retention in park and recreation departments? A. Delayed promotions. B. Strict overtime. C. Professional development and recognition programs. D. Avoiding performance evaluations. 14. What is a key function of a governing board in a parks agency? A. Managing park restrooms. B. Setting policy and approving budgets. C. Conducting background checks. D. Supervising daily maintenance. 15. Which of the following is most important in a crisis communication plan? A. Ignoring public input. B. Having a designated spokesperson and clear protocols. C. Canceling all communication. D. Using informal social media posts only. 16. Which funding mechanism is most commonly used for large-scale park development? A. Program registration fees. B. Bond referendums. C. Facility rentals. D. Vending machine revenue. 17. What is the main purpose of risk management in park operations? A. Increase insurance costs. B. Ensure program popularity. C. Minimize liability and enhance public safety. D. Limit staff responsibility. 18. Which method best encourages environmental stewardship among park users? A. Restricting park access. B. Providing interpretive signage and educational programs. C. Charging for trail use. D. Limiting volunteer participation. 19. How can recreation executives promote health and wellness in the community? A. Providing only competitive sports. B. Hosting annual fundraisers. C. Offering inclusive programs and active living opportunities. D. Focusing solely on senior populations. 20. What is the key purpose of a strategic plan in public recreation? A. Establish daily staff tasks. B. Prioritize facility cleaning. C. Guide agency vision, goals, and objectives over time. D. Monitor weather conditions. 21. What type of evaluation focuses on whether program outcomes were achieved? A. Process evaluation. B. Impact evaluation. C. Formative evaluation. D. Observational study. 22. Which of the following is a key component of organizational culture? A. Job titles. B. Mission and shared values. C. Uniform policies. D. Park acreage. 23. Which leadership style is most effective in motivating diverse teams? A. Autocratic. B. Laissez-faire. C. Transformational. D. Passive. 24. How should an executive respond to changing demographic trends in the service area? A. Maintain current programs. B. Focus on majority populations. C. Adapt programs and services to emerging needs. D. Limit change to avoid disruption. 25. What is the best approach to ensure financial accountability in parks operations? A. Avoid external audits. B. Use informal reporting. C. Implement transparent budgeting and regular financial reviews. D. Only track revenue. The Certified Park and Recreation Executive or CPRE is a prestigious national certification offered by the National Recreation and Park Association or NRPA for senior-level professionals in the parks and recreation field. Designed for leaders and executives, the CPRE credential demonstrates advanced knowledge and expertise in areas such as management, policy development, finance, planning, and human resources. To qualify, candidates must hold a Certified Park and Recreation Professional or CPRE credential and meet specific education and experience requirements. The certification process includes passing a comprehensive exam that assesses strategic leadership and operational skills. Earning the CPRE sets professionals apart as visionary leaders committed to excellence in public service, community engagement, and the advancement of parks and recreation systems. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of CPRE exam. 1. Executive leadership. The CPRE certification demonstrates advanced leadership skills and expertise in managing park and recreation agencies, positioning professionals for top executive roles. 2. Career advancement. It enhances credibility and opens doors to higher-level opportunities in the field of parks and recreation management. 3. Strategic management. The certification validates knowledge in strategic planning, budgeting, and policy development essential for effective agency oversight. 4. Improved community impact. CPRE holders lead programs that better serve communities through enhanced facilities, services, and outreach. 5. Professional networking. Certification connects executives to a national network of peers and resources for continuous growth and innovation.